In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide zero values in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick if you want to clean up your spreadsheets and make them look more professional by removing those visually cluttering zero values. Let's dive in, step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening a Google Sheet. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and then simply navigate to Google Sheets, either by typing it in the search bar or selecting it from your Google Apps. Open up the spreadsheet you're working with, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Next, it's time to select the range of cells where you'd like to hide zero values. This could be a specific column, row, or even the entire sheet, depending on your needs. Click and drag your mouse over the cells you want to include. Be sure that the selection encompasses all the data you're focusing on, because this is where the formatting will be applied. Once you've selected your target cells, look to the top of your screen and click on the Format menu. The Format option is part of the menu bar that runs along the top of Google Sheets, and it serves as your gateway to a range of formatting options that can greatly enhance the look and function of your data. After clicking on Format, go down the list and select Number. Here, you'll see a variety of predefined number formats that you can apply to your data. However, for our task of hiding zeros, we're going to create a custom format. With the Number menu open, you'll then want to click on Custom Number Format. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. It's a simple and powerful tool that allows for precise control over how numbers, dates, and text are displayed in your sheet. Now, in the Custom Number Format dialog box, you'll see a field where you can type your custom format code. Here is where the magic happens. In the field, you'll type in 0000 at. What this format does is it tells Google Sheets to display positive numbers normally, do the same for negative numbers, but leave zeros and text unchanged, effectively hiding them. Once you've typed in the format code, look for the Apply button and click on it. This action finalizes your custom format choice, and you should see the zero values in your selected cells disappear from view instantly. And that's it. You've successfully hidden zero values in your Google Sheets. Remember, this doesn't delete any data. It simply makes the zero values invisible, allowing your spreadsheet to maintain a cleaner appearance. As a quick tip, if you ever need to reveal these zeros again, simply go back into the custom number format and remove your custom settings. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.